Hello, my name is Ogunwale Mokolajo Glory, and my project topic is surgical negligence and medical liability in Nigeria, a legal appraisal. I'm a supervisee under Dr. Owen Moshinibi, and this is a video capturing my experience while writing my project. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my challenges, how I overcame my challenges, what I did, what I shouldn't have done, the things that I did that made my research successful. There are various factors that can affect your choice of a project topic. There are your personal interest, availability of resources, your discussion with your supervisor, or basically what you're just really interested in, what has been intriguing you. And that was in my case, in the case of personal interest. I chose surgical negligence and medical liability in Nigeria, legal appraisal as my topic. And this was because right from my 300 level days in my third class, I had become interested in the topic of medical negligence or negligence of professionals, and how that the incident suggests that when the law does not provide as much, or maybe in the implementation of such do not actually address such, patients or people bear the brunt of such mistakes, and that should not be. And so I was just really curious about what the law say about it. And then again, I saw that there was the thing about how that people are not really knowledgeable. They are like dearth of, scarcity of materials or information, how that people do not really understand that when such things happen, there are legislations that are available that can avail them, and what they can do when such things happen. And that this was what aroused my interest and made me choose my project topic. My advice for you is that know what you want to research on. And again, it may just be that you know that, oh, this is the thing that I really want to research on. Look at the problems in the society. Your project should actually solve, your research should solve a problem. And so what problem do you want to solve? And then you can rephrase that and talk about it. Right. So the next step to take after you have chosen your research topic is how to source for materials. And this is actually where your research skill has to come to work. Yeah. So, while I did my research, in searching for journals that you're going to review in your chapter 2, you're going to make use of Google Scholars. You can also make use of Google, but basically you can actually make use of Google Scholars. You just have to type in your topic and then just peruse the journals that are actually available online that you're going to be using for that. And then challenges that I faced in my project, I must say that while my supervisor really did help me, there were times that I actually faced laptop issues where my laptop had fault, and then I had to borrow my friend's laptop, and then there were delays. And that's another thing that I want to advise. One of the challenges that I had was delays in giving corrections back to my supervisor. And at the beginning of your project or your project writing, you must make sure that you have everything that is needed. If you know that you want to use your phone for your research work, get your phone ready. Make sure that you have resources like data subscription that you will use adequately for your research. And if it is your laptop that you need to use, you must make sure that you have it and then you work on that laptop. And then how this has affected my career aspiration is that I already see myself now that, oh, this is something that I can do. Research is not hard. I just have to know how to do it and be ready to give in all that is there, all that is available to do it under the right supervision, of course. Yeah, so I already know that, oh yes, this is something that I am actually interested in, because it's actually interesting researching into things. You discover things, and then it's actually really nice. So it taught me time management also, I must mention, because at the time that I realized that, oh, this thing was not working for me well, I had to look at it and see that what is it that I'm not giving. So it taught me to be more diligent, it taught me to manage my time well, and a host of other things too. Advice I would say I do have for people who are about to undertake their long essay is that you have to be diligent. You have to know what you are doing. You have to be very diligent while writing your long essay. You have to be in the know. And so if the faculty, or when the faculty organizes anything that requires, where maybe they want to actually inform you about your project, be sure to attend. NOUT guideline for your citation is important, is necessary. Read it through. Project writing is not hard. Don't make it hard. So that being said, be diligent, be meticulous, know what you're doing, make friends. Make friends with other supervisees, with your friends, your fellow colleagues that are writing it. So don't be a know-it-all. Yeah, don't be a know-it-all. So that in the course of your writing, there are things that you may overlook. There are things that maybe you do not understand. You are not an island of knowledge. Ask other people. All I'm saying in one word is that in your research, be diligent, know how to do it, know what to give in, be meticulous, be diligent, do it well, and God will help you.